When you're using creative cash flow banking strategies, how much did you really pay? Watch this. Let's say you spent $13,000 on a car, right? But you utilized your line of credit instead of just your checking account. Okay, I call it your black hole account. All right. You utilized your line of credit to pay for that car. Boom, you paid it off, but you still need to pay back your line of credit. And this $13,000, well, that's at 21%. Okay. But right here's your income. Your income, let's just say, is $5,000. Your outgo, which is your expenses, is $3,000. Now, how much is left in your line? Well, 5,000 minus 3,000, which is 2,000. With this scenario, right, you can go ahead and take 13,000 and divide it by 2,000, and you'll get how many months you'll pay this off. In this scenario, it's 6.5. All right. Now, these may differ, but this method does not. Okay, so stick with me. We got $13,000 at 21%. Okay, that's our balance. I'm going to show you how to calculate average daily interest. Okay, because that's what most credit cards do. They do the average daily interest. Of course, lines of credit are like this as well. Their average daily interest, a lot of them are like this. But check with your financial institution and view your statements for more accurate information for your particular situation. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and find out what the average daily interest on this is. Okay. $13,000 at 21%. What are you going to do? $13,000 multiplied by 0.21. Okay, remember 21% is $2,730. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and you're going to multiply this, okay? And 13 multiplied by 0.21 equals 2,730. Okay? Now, you take that $2,730, what does that represent? That represents the interest, okay, accumulated. $13,000 at 21% for a year, okay? Annual percentage rate. Now, you're going to take this and you're going to divide it by 365. Now, I know, okay, there are banking days and there are other ways that you can divide this that would also be accurate, all right? But we're going to take 365, all right? So you're going to take $2,730 and divide that by 365, which are how many days in the year, and you're going to end up with a number, and that number is going to be $7.48 a day. But since you are only spending 6.5 months to pay this off, right? It's going to be a total of $7.48 a day times 195 days. Where did I get the 195 from? Well, I got it from the 6 months, right, which is 180 days, okay? 180 days plus the half month, right? Because we said 6.5 months. So the half month is 15 days, right? 180 plus 15 is 195, all right? So we're going to go ahead and take that $7.48, multiply it by 195, and we're going to get a number, and that number is $1,458.60. Now, let me ask you a mind-blowing question. At the end of the 6.5 months, how much did you really spend for that car? Or how much did you really spend for that education? Was it $13,000? Or was it $1,458.60? Because only one of these numbers you don't have anymore. And you still got the $13,000. Remember, you paid that off in 6.5 months. But the $1,458.60, well, that was the interest. So which one did you spend? Which one do you not have? Listen, I'm going to let you be the judge of that. All right. Listen, folks, if you have any questions or any comments about the method that I just used and am using, and lots of people all over the nation are using, please, creditwiz at investorpro.org. This is only barely scratching the surface. All right, we want to definitely get this information out there to you. Creditwiz at investorpro.org. Let me know your situation. I'd be glad to help you out. All right, God bless. You have a good night.